Hi, I'm Mike Steger. I'm a copyright and trademark attorney. And yesterday I got a call from a potential new client who talked about some possible claims involving intellectual property with their business. And my first question was, did you register the copyrights that are involved here? And unfortunately, the answer was no. And this is a situation I frequently run into where people are not protecting their intellectual property. So today I want to talk about intellectual property audit and how that may benefit your business or your creative works. If you have a business that relies on intellectual property, where intellectual property is part of the value of the business, it's a good idea to periodically take an audit of your IP assets and see if they're being properly protected. For example, if you are using trademarks for your brand name, logo, slogan, are those trademarks registered? Are they up to date? Have you done maintenance filings? Do you have copyrighted content that the business owns, or designs, photographs, computer software, or other creative content? Have you registered the copyrights for those? And does the company own them? Similarly, if you have patentable inventions or products, do you have the patents? Have they been properly prosecuted? And finally, if your business relies on trade secrets, are the trade secrets documented, and are you protecting them as trade secrets? All of these steps are important to protect the intellectual property for your business. One of the big keys is, does the business actually own the intellectual property? This is a big issue with newer businesses, with startups, where an individual, one of the founders, one of the partners may own the intellectual property before you set up a corporation or an LLC. Has that been transferred over? An additional issue is, are there liens on any of the intellectual property that the business thinks it owns? These are all important things. They can all be examined through an intellectual property audit. Many businesses can do that themselves. I and other IP lawyers can do that as well. But it's a good idea to do that to make sure you know what you own. And in a case where you're going to get investment money or look to sell the business, you need to make sure that your assets are things that can be transferred. I'm Mike Steger. I'm an intellectual property lawyer. If you have any questions about proper steps to take with your intellectual property, please give me a call.